Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera distortion on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library and restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button and you will see restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so clean your camera lens with the help of tissue paper. After clean camera lens, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click go to again app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on search and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it's not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera distortion on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.